still nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and pull one of these out and make it into something.
We are up to step 3. No. Interesting pattern background with your prints. Yeah. Right?
Ooh, I like that one right there that's on the top, Peg.
This one?
Yeah, that's a cool one.
I like a couple of them. I mean, look at that.
I have that stencil too.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah.
They're definitely cool. And I mean, even if I just cut components out of this and draw on top of it, it's interesting, right? So, I mean, I've got enough here to do a page, no problem. So, so I'm going to do a pattern back. This is my page, right? I'm going to do an interesting pattern background with my prints, which is day 3.
So we're moving on to step 2. Step 2. Create a texture with the okay, we already did that. Step 3.
Yeah, you did that. So we're on 3.
Make an interesting pattern background with your prints. Okay.
So this is our page, and I'm going to make some kind of background.
Yep.
Here.
And I think I'm just going to tear mine into like.
Yep. I'm getting my trusty ruler out here.
Yeah.
I'm just going to tear down because these are still damp.
Yep. Just mostly focusing, I guess, on color and pattern. And I got those 2 colors, so we definitely need to make some of this rusty color be in here.
So I like this print a lot. Don't know where all that pink came from, but I don't care. It's fine with me.
Don't know where it came from, but it looks cool.
Yeah, it does. It really does, you know. So let's see what this one does.
Yellowy color would be fun.
Can't tear. Stuff's too wet. We'll just do the best we can.
Yep. And we got some of this interesting pink.
Okay, and then I've got this one.
Oh, come on. They're so wet that they don't want to tear.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, so sorry guys, I know my background paper is distracting here. Let me see if I can flip this over. When I paint, I use my drop paper. So some of this could even be incorporated into this page because it's got some of those colors on it. Get this thing loose here. I need to go find Shell's stencil. That's definitely from that Southwest vibe. Let's see here. I just noticed I had a portion of hers right here. I recognize that. Okay,
I need to
so
design some more stencils, but I haven't gotten around to it.
what did I
Got
do?
some other stuff going on, so haven't had time to design stencil designs. But it is a lot of fun, and I look forward to doing it with my-
See, so this is just drop paper, but it's got stuff on it too that I end up using in my art.
Yep, me too. I use drop paper.
This is where I was cleaning today, and it's got that same arrow type pattern on it for what we were using here. See that? There's another little piece right here. Like that. Piece here. So those are all interesting little tidbit things. Now I've decided now that I put all this red on the background, I'm not a fan of it. So I'm going to flip the page over. And I want to change this out to more of a neutral. So I'm going to, I don't want something real wet. Let me get an ink. And a neutral tone, which would be like ice spruce. Ink is going to dry a lot faster than the paint, than the acrylic.
Put another dark piece over here.
So there's my ice spruce. And
And I'm just playing with this until I'm happy with how it looks. I'm getting pretty happy with it, actually, so I'm probably gonna dry it. I don't like these wrinkles right here, but there's not much I can do about that. I touch it, it tears. Which is just not cool, man. That's not cool.
Oh, let's see. What do we got here?
Hopefully that's fairly dry so that I can go back and trim the edges down. Back to the size of the page, which I'll have to have its holes punched back into it. As you can see, this page is made out of junk mail. It's political junk mail.
Oh yeah, we've been getting a lot of that.
Which we're now getting, a bunch more of it right now. This is from a couple years ago. Congressman Tom O'Halloran. That's pretty cool.
How some of these people get our name even, because it's like, don't want to see you. All right, so I'm just gonna glue some of these down. Get my page started. Let's see. It's kind of big. Where are we? Pattern background. We did prints. We did that. So we're on number 4. Paint something organic over the background.
Yep. And decide what I want.